Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to film a video on what I got in my BOXYCHARM box for December. I finally got it. So here it is. And this is my first box, so I'm really excited. I have most of the products on my face today. So the first thing is, it's called the Glitz and Glam box, and there's 5 full-size products for $21 US. And it's a subscription box that comes every month, or you could just get 1 month or whatever you prefer. So the first thing in here is the Tartiste Tarte mascara. I have it on my eyelashes today. I really love it. It's got a great brush, like the bristles are very spread out and they seem to grab every single hair when you're putting them on your eyelashes, and it's really nice and black. I really find it separates the lashes well and makes them look longer, so I really like it, and I wanted to try this anyway, so I was super happy that I got it, and also that it's full size, because I think at Sephora it's like 25 bucks just for this or something. The second thing I got is this Makeup Geek. It's like a liquid lipstick in the color Showstopper. The color's not on it, unfortunately, and I have it on my lips today. I really like it. It's like a nudie brown color. It has a really soft smell to it, and it is kind of drying, but most liquid lipsticks are, but it's comfortable on the lips, and I love the color. It's a really nice kind of brownish nude, something that you could wear every day. So I really am happy with that. Brown brush, it says it's a blush brush, and I actually tried it with blush, and it puts too much blush on, like it's too intense for a blush brush. So I'll definitely use it for a concealer or a CC cream brush, but I like the handle on it. It seems pretty good quality. There's one hair coming out, but it seems like an overall good brush. I'll have to use it and wash it before I know really how I feel about it. I've never used a crown brush before. The next thing is this Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit, and it has really pretty colors in it. They looked almost like they're like baked blushes. So the colors are Fearless, Limitless, and Unstoppable. So they range from nude to coral to like a pink with shimmer. I don't really like shimmer in my blushes, but I'll try this. Oh, they all kind of seem like they have, no, 2 of them have shimmer and 1 doesn't. But I'll try this color right here. It's the nude color. So that's kind of how it looks. It's very subtle. Let me see if I can see if this shimmers. You can't really see the shimmers too much when they're on your face, which is nice. It just kind of gives a natural flush to the skin. It's okay. I might gift this to someone though, just because I just bought so many of the Tarte Amazonian clay blushes, because those are my favorite. So I might give this to my mom or something. And then I got the Beauty Basics Bronze Essentials. So we'll see what this is like. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but it's kind of funny. It has all these different strips to it, and there's shimmer in it, which I really don't like with my bronzer. Let's see. And because of the shape of the strips, it's kind of hard to just get into just the matte colors, but I'll try. I don't even know if my bronzer brush will fit, but I'll try here. It looks very warm. Yeah, it's way too warm for my skin tone. So that's gonna be a no for me. So I'll take that off the best that I can. So the bronzer's way too warm for me, so I'll definitely be giving that away. So overall, that's everything that I received in my box. Overall, I'm happy with these three products, and the blush is okay, I guess. It's just the bronzer is way too warm for me. So I'll definitely give that away, and hopefully someone can enjoy it more than I do. Maybe it would be better for tanner skin tones. I'm not too sure. Just because my skin is so pale, it might pick up the redness more. So that's everything that I've received in my box. I'll definitely keep my subscription and see what I get next month because it is my first month. Comment below, what did you get in your box? And are you a long-term customer with BOXYCHARM? Like, do you usually like what you get in your boxes? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. Thank you.